Turn it till it starts.
Run, Benny! Man, you guys, it is so hot out here right now. It is like 6:30 in the evening and I am sweating worse than I was at 10 o'clock or noon this afternoon. But today we are going to try and grade out the ground here and smooth it out and make it a little nicer so I can bring in some grass or there's a stuff called peanut something, I forget already, peanut grass maybe it is, and lay that out here and make room for the pond as well. So let's get started. Do I get to drive this?
I think you should move the light and one piece of fence so we can make it
I mean, you can still come over about a foot. If I move the light, the fence starts right here. So you can take, you know, about another foot. Just aim it with that right there.
The pathway is going to go, you know, it's going to be a driveway.
Yeah.
Do you want it the width of a vehicle?
Well, if you trim this down a little bit more, there should be enough room.
There's going to be like a drop off there unless they move a tremendous amount of dirt.
There's already a drop off, isn't there?
Be able to back that trail and like it'll be too narrow.
Well, if you move it over a little bit.
Huh?
Move it over a little bit.
Well,
oh, is the rain coming? When do I get to get on?
You get on it right now?
Just pull down?
Yeah.
Like a
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, sorry. It's hot out here. Okay, now what?
Turn the key.
Where is it?
Top left.
Top left.
Your left.
Just turn to the bunny?
Your other left.
Oh, my other left. Turn to the left?
Yeah, like a car.
Car would be this way.
Yeah. Turn it till it starts. Okay, now pick the bucket up. Oh, that's your go fast. That one's pick the bucket up. Now go over there and dump it.
So now is it pretty much done?
We just got to clean it up a little bit. But I'm thinking pretty much a straight line right where I've cut. Maybe I'll cut a little bit farther this way to make it a full at least 11 feet shell. And we'll start here and we'll make a nice, I'd like to get some paint so I can paint where it's going to be. And as I spread it, you can work it right to the edge of the paint so it looks really tight.
Streamline?
Streamline. So it's not all like this, but that's what it'll look like. Touch it, do it all with the machine.
I'm looking all over for him. Oh my God. Benny! You good boy? Oh my God, you guys, that is the cutest thing ever. I was searching everywhere for Bentley because I was worried that he was going to get ran over because he likes to hide underneath those things, and Bentley loves car rides. He absolutely, I mean, he will drop anything he is doing to go for a car ride. So it does not surprise me that he wanted to get in there and ride with Donnie on the skid steer. Oh my God, that just melts my heart. That's the thumbnail right there. Oh my gosh. Benny, you having fun? You like?
He wants to get out.
No, he doesn't.
Maybe the vibration, you know, down here on the floor.
He just likes going for rides no matter what it is. Benny!
Yeah, he is. He is about it all the time.
Oh my goodness, you having fun? You going for a ride with Donnie? Yeah?
So I pretty much got it all shaped out. I'm just gonna slick it off a little bit, and then we can, and let me smooth out the driveway, and we'll go start getting shell.
All right.
I'm not sure what else to do here. I mean, I guess I wanted to beef up that berm a little bit so I can ramp myself up to it, but I really can't go too much higher.
Which
without
berm?
Encroaching into the driveway.
Which one? By the, oh, by the fence?
Yeah.
By the fence. Okay, yeah. So what about around here? I was thinking about this would be a good spot to put shell too. I could do that with that pickaxe though.
I want you to see the shell I'm talking about.
Okay.
I know what, every time I say shell, you're interpreting it as something different.
Well, I'm thinking of like the driveway stuff.
Not the little
with
tiny
mixed
white shell, it's going to be like...
Oh, not like what my mom has?
No.
No?
No, it's going to be like a lime rock.
Okay.
Shell base.
Well, let's go check it out. You want to go for a ride again with Donnie? Go for a ride with Donnie.
Come on, buddy.
Come on.
Come on. Yeah, there's shell mixed in it.
Yeah.
And it binds together. We'll use this for a sub base, real base.
Well, Donnie's getting the loader, and we're gonna follow him. He'll be back. It's okay. Danny, go for a ride in the loader? Go on.